When you lift the Irish potato and take a bite, the moment it enters your mouth, digestion already begins. Your teeth break it into smaller pieces while saliva mixes with it. Inside the saliva is an enzyme called amylase, and it immediately starts breaking down the potato starch into simpler sugars. As you chew, the food becomes softer and forms a moist ball called a bolus, making it easier to swallow. When you swallow, the bolus moves down the esophagus through smooth, wave-like muscle contractions known as peristalsis. It travels steadily until it reaches the stomach. In the stomach, powerful muscles churn the potato and mix it with gastric juices. The acidic environment stops the action of salivary amylase, but the mechanical mixing continues, breaking the food into a semi-liquid substance called chyme. From there, the chyme slowly enters the small intestine. This is where most of the digestion and absorption happens. The pancreas releases enzymes that continue breaking down the remaining starch into glucose. Bile helps regulate the environment so enzymes can work efficiently. The long, folded lining of the small intestine, covered with tiny finger-like projections called villi, absorbs the glucose into the bloodstream. Once glucose enters the blood, it travels to the liver. The liver decides how much to release into circulation and how much to store as glycogen for later use. The glucose that continues through the bloodstream becomes fuel for your cells. Your muscles use it to produce energy for movement. Your brain relies on it as its primary source of fuel to think and function. Your heart uses it to keep beating steadily. The fiber from the Irish potato does not get digested like starch. Instead, it moves into the large intestine. There, beneficial gut bacteria ferment some of the fiber, producing helpful compounds that support gut health. The remaining waste material continues through the colon, where water is absorbed and eventually leaves the body. Through this entire process, the nutrients from the Irish potato are transformed into usable energy, supporting your brain, muscles, and organs, while the digestive system efficiently removes what your body does not need. Please like, subscribe, and comment.